Capcut tutorial how to add camera shake, so I don't want to waste you any seconds, so let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is to obviously head over to Capcut, and here tap on project, and now choose an image that you'd like to add a shake effect, camera shake effect. I'll go with this pictures I just downloaded from Pixabay, and now I like to add a camera shake on this photo. So now just select the image. Okay, we have this image, select it, and then go to style, and here we have many different interesting and awesome styles, but what we're interested in, camera shake, right here, camera shake. Now it's generating. It will take only a couple of seconds. It's very fast. So now we have camera shake. We can add this effect to this photo as well. We can add this effect to this photo as well. Camera shake. And now we can add between these images something like this. And now it's like this, and it's going this. And now go to this and select this and select initial 2. Obviously, you can make this image longer. So I hope this video provides you with value. Subscribe for more tutorials and like this video.